Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will continue part 3 about how to read data from power meter Schneider model PM5350. Okay, and in this section I will use Proficy Machine Edition and Proficy Cimplicity HMI SCADA to link the data to show on SCADA. Okay, so let's go to our software to create a new project of Cimplicity Workbench to show the data like voltage or frequency on SCADA. Okay, so let's go. So first I will open Proficy Machine Edition and then provide the some address to link to the HMI SCADA. Yes. So let's open the project. And I will use the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. So let's open. Okay, so here is the program. Yeah, existing program that we already created in the previous video about the voltage phase A with natural, phase B with natural, phase C with natural, phase and phase voltage between line with natural and frequency of line. Yes. So I can online to show the value. Yes. Okay, right now the voltage show around 229, yes, AC, and the frequency around 49 to 50 something, yes. So we need to link all this data to the SCADA, right? Okay. So before we create the project of Proficy Cimplicity SCADA, I would like to insert the some address to link to the SCADA. Okay, so I will provide person R. Yes, this one. Okay, person R also. Yes, person R3, person R5. Yes, person R7, person R9, and the last one for frequency person R11. Okay, so we need to download logic again because we just provide the person R to link to the HMI. Yes, so let me download the program. Yes. Okay, so right now we already download complete successfully. Yes, so let's go to our software Proficy Cimplicity SCADA Workbench to create a new project to link this data to the HMI. Okay, so let's go. So to create the new project of SCADA, let's click Workbench. Yes, and then go to File, New, and choose the project. Yeah, it means that we create a new project. Yes, and we need to provide the username and password. Okay, for create this project. Okay, I will use the name example administrator. Yes, and password we can provide some password, but should be have the special symbol and the capital letter, yes, or some number. It is required. Okay, so please provide some password. I will provide some password for my project. Okay. Okay, so right now I already put password in my project. So let's click next. Yes, and then this is a project name that we want to create. Yeah, example method. Yes, project name method. Yes, and then let's click the communication protocol. Yes, right now I will use S90 triplet. Yes, this driver. Yes, and I will use desktop to create this project. Okay, or we can create C. Yes, it will go C, try C. Okay, if we click like this. So let's click create after tick this protocol. Yes, okay, this is a description. Yeah, that we want to mention. Example project for read data from power meter. Yes, and then click OK. Yes, it will give us a project. Yes, so we need to create the equipment. Yes, let's go to equipment. We have devices and parts. Yeah, so first we need to create the parts. Yeah, so make sure click the part and then right click and then choose new. It is the new part, and we will use the part that we already click in the protocol. Yes, so it will start port 0. Yes, so I will use port 0 and then click OK. Yes, and this description example part for power method. Yes, and it is the red scan red, sorry, so we can use 1 second. Yes, and this one we can use default first. Yeah, no need to change. Okay, so right now we already create the new part. Yes, in the next step we will create the new devices. Yeah, so go to devices tab and then right click and then choose new, and we will use the master part that we already created. Yes, from here. So example part, sorry, device name example PLC1. Yes, then click OK, and here we can use the PLC system GE Rx3i, or we can use another model type that we want. So in this video I will use the system PLC system, yeah, GE Rx3i, and then goes to TCP/IP. Yes, that we will put it. It is related to the Ethernet module that we link from computer to the PLC. It means that here. Yes, it means that here it means that this IP address, yeah, or this IP address that we already configure, yes, here. Yes, it is the IP address of PLC that we link to Ethernet module. Yes. Okay. So we can put 192.168.0.100. Yes. And then we click OK. Okay. So in description we can also mention example power meter. Yes. Okay. After that we can update the project by click here, yes, configuration update, and then click OK, yes, and then we can start the project, yes. Yes, if we start project it will log some data here that we show, yes. Yes, right now it starting the project, yes. So wait a moment for starting the project. Okay, so right now our project is starting and running, yes. So let's check here, quick view, right click on the devices and device name PLC1 and then click view, yes, quick view. It show like this, it means that we can link from software to the PLC, yes. It means that can link from project of SCADA to PLC, yes, via Ethernet module that has IP 192.1, yeah, 192.168.0.100. Okay. Okay. So in the next step, we will create the points for link from the Proficy Machine Edition. Yes, it means that link from here, yes, to the HMI. Yes. So let's go to create the point. Yeah, go to points, and then we can dynamic. Yes, click dynamic. Don't forget. Otherwise, we can start again, stop and start the project again. Yes. So if we click the dynamic, we no need to start and stop the project again. So the points that we created, it will automatically update. Okay. So don't forget, click dynamic. Yes. So first we will create the point that related to volt A to N, right? A with N, phase A with N. So right click and then new points, yeah. And it is analog and I will use device. Then device name is PLC1 that we already created in this tab, yes. So make sure click analog and then click device, and this is a point name or text name that we will provide, yes. Example meter 1 volt AN, yes, like this. Meter 1 volt between A and N, it means that phase A and natural, yes. So click OK, and then here we can provide some description. Example meter 1 voltage between phase A with natural, yes. And here we can use the resource like this, because we not yet create some resource. Yeah, so we need to use the default first. And the data type is real. Yes, because here is real. Yeah, let's see real. So we choose real, and element is 1. Yes, and then we can go to device tab and then choose the address. Yeah, address is person R1 for phase A with natural. So we can provide person R1. Okay, and then click OK. Yes, and for phase B and N, I just duplicate and change only person R. Yes, so right click on this point and then choose duplicate, and I just change this one from B to N. Yes, and then click OK, and this is a phase B, right? Phase B, and then I will change to person R3. Yes, so here person R3, so I will change to person R3. Yes, and I will change this one a little bit because phase B. Okay, phase A. Yeah, okay, and the same method for voltage phase C and natural. We just duplicate and change this one to C. Yeah, and then we can change this one to C. Yeah, phase C, and then person R. Yeah, let's check here, person R5 for phase C and natural. Yes, so person R5, and then click OK, and one more for L and L, in middle line to line. Yes, so voltage line to line. Yeah, L to L, so it is L, line to line. Yes, line to line, and the data is the same because we duplicate, and person R. Yes, line to line, person R7. Yes, so I will put person R7. Okay, and one more, we can duplicate for line to natural. Yes, and then we can line to natural. So person R9. Yes, and then click OK. Yes, and the last one for frequency. Yes, frequency person R11. Yes, so I can duplicate because the data type is the same, right? Method 1 frequency. Yes, so this one, method 1 frequency. So person R11, right? So I will put person R11. Okay, and then click OK. Yes, so right now we already created the points. Yes, or text for show on SCADA. If we already created, we can right click and then choose the point control panel to let's see the data. Yes, So right now let's see here, it show the data already, and then in the next step we will create the screen, right? Okay, so let's go to tab screens, yeah, and create a new screen. Yes. Okay, I will adjust the geometry a little bit for high, example 250, yes, like this. And then I can go to drawing and then choose the texting for title, example power meter number 1. I will change to another color, yes, example this color, yellow color, yeah. And I will increase the size to 20, yes, like this. Okay, and then I will write the text string follow the text that I already created, right? So this one we can write, we can copy by press Control and Shift the same time, and drag and drop the mouse. Okay, we will got the new text, and then we can rename to be voltage A to N, right? Correct? A to N, yes, the first one. Okay, and then let's go first, yeah, like this, and we can copy, yes, A to N, B to N, C to N, L to L, L to N, and also frequency, yes, and then we can adjust a little bit, yes, by using the arrow key, yes. Okay, like this, and we can change the name, this one B to N, C to N, C to N, yes, and then L to N, right? Sorry, L to L, L to N, L to N, and then the last one is frequency, right? Yes, and we can arrange to be like this, yes. Okay, and I will use white color. I will change to white color, yes, and then I will use the rectangle, yeah. Example like this, and I will use the text string, yes, and put like this, and I will use green color, yes, and then we can arrange to be a center, yes, like this, and we can test one point, example we can browse, click here to browse the points, yeah. This one we can rival and then star, method 1, yes, we can write method 1 and then star, so we can show the method that we already created, the text, yeah. So the first one is A to N, right? And we can choose real, and then we can use the precision example 1, yes, and then we can test the screen, yes. Oh, so big, right? So we need to adjust the rectangle a little bit, right? Okay, so I will adjust the rectangle a little bit to be like this, and then we can arrange again. Go to arrange and then choose this one and this one, yes. So let's test again, yeah. Okay, good. And then we will put the unit, right? It is the volt, so I can write V, it means that volt unit, and maybe I use reduce the font a little bit to 14, yes. And then we can copy by select this one and then drag, press control and shift on keyboard, and then drag and drop the mouse, yes. Drag and drop the mouse, drag and drop the mouse, drag and drop the mouse, drag and drop the mouse. So we can got like this. And this one for hertz, right? So like this, frequency, right? And here we can choose the name, yeah, rename. So this one for BN, this one for CN, right? This one for LL, this one for LN, and the last one for frequency, right? So meter 1 we need to like this, browse again, yeah. This one, yeah, double click and click OK, okay. So we can arrange to be good looking, yeah, like this. Yes, like this. And we can adjust to be like this, okay. So test the screen again, yes, we will got like this, yes. So meter 1, volt AN, BN, CN, LL. I'm not connect the cable, so it will show 0. And this one is the volt LN, yes, it show around 227 something, yes. And here is the frequency. So I will show the actual volt and frequency on the power meter, yes. So wait a moment, for I will show, yes, the actual. So right now let's see, volt AN, BN and CN is around 228 something. And for frequency, let me show frequency here, around 50 something. It show the same as in our screen, yes. Yes. Go to volt again. Yes. Okay. around 228 something. Yeah. Okay. So we can save our screen. Yeah, I will adjust a little bit for good looking. Yes, adjust a little bit. Yes. Okay, like this, and then we can save the screen. Yeah, and then go to drive C, and then the project name. Yes, method, and then go to screens. Yeah, and it is the method one. Yes, and then we can tag the screen. Yeah, to show like this. Okay. So this is the instruction about how to link the data of power meter to show on the SCADA. Yeah, by using the Proficy Machine Edition for PLC, and then use the software of SCADA, Proficy Workbench, or we can call Proficy Cimplicity Workbench. Yes. So I hope this video is just example or instruction for everyone. And if everyone have any question, please drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. And I'm also sorry if I have some mistake in this video also. And in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.